In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Ninja Forms in Elementor, free and pro. First, open the page or template in Elementor where you want your form to appear. This could be a regular page, a landing page, or even a footer or pop-up. Make sure both Elementor and Ninja Forms are installed and active in your WordPress site so everything works smoothly. If you're working on a live page, consider using a staging or draft version while you set things up. We're going to use the Shortcode widget, which works perfectly with both the free and the pro versions of Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for Shortcode in the Widgets panel, drag it into the section where you want the form to sit. You'll see a field waiting for a shortcode, and we'll grab that from Ninja Forms in just a moment. Now head over to Ninja Forms in your WordPress dashboard. You can create a new form or edit an existing one. Keep things simple if you're starting fresh. Use a basic template like a contact form and tweak it later. Once you're in the form builder or the forms list, look for the form's shortcode. It typically looks like a bracketed code with the form's ID. Copy that shortcode exactly as shown. Jump back to Elementor and paste the shortcode into the Shortcode Widget field. After pasting, click Update or Save Draft, and then preview the page on the front end. The form should render right where you place the widget. If it appears slightly narrow or wide, adjust the column width or section padding in Elementor to fit your layout. If you run into issues, open the troubleshooting tips within your workflow to guide you. Often it's something small. Start by confirming the form is published and not set to an inactive status. Make sure the shortcode is copied without extra spaces or hidden characters. Clear any caching from your caching plugin or hosting, and refresh the page on the front end rather than relying only on the editor preview. If you're using performance plugins that defer JavaScript, temporarily disable those settings to see if they're interfering. Confirm that Ninja Forms is active and that there are no role restrictions preventing form display. Finally, ensure you're not placing the shortcode inside another dynamic widget that might strip or escape shortcodes. Once everything checks out, your Ninja form will display correctly in Elementor, and you can continue styling the surrounding section for a polished finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching.